full-on poster war ahead of Delhi elections, and whether it's the BJP or the Aam Aadmi Party, a lot of their creativity with regard to slogans and highlights are coming in through these posters. So Aam Aadmi Party has released a fresh poster, and in the latest it's a question, not really a charge. Look at that. First they're asking, Chief Minister Kaun? Who's going to be the Chief Minister from the BJP, basically they are saying, because for Aam Aadmi Party it's Arvind Kejriwal who remains the face. And then they launch, look at that, Galibaz Danav attack at the Bharatiya Janata Party. All the BJP leaders, Home Minister Amit Shah right in the center, and full-on dramatic theatrics, all the Delhi BJP leaders whose faces have been attached will try and ascertain more details. Galibaz Danav. Remember that Aam Aadmi Party had been consistently in the past few days saying Gali Galoch Party, and reference to the BJP. So these are interesting posters that have come to the fore. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me this morning. Amit, what is this? Because I understand Chief Minister Kaun is a valid question. What is this Galibaz Danav? And also, is it correct that we've been noticing the attack is on Home Minister Amit Shah in all of these posters? It's not on Prime Minister Modi.
Right, Pooja. This particular poster that has been released by Aam Aadmi Party this morning is further, declaration of the intense war between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party through the posters, the poster war that has been going on. And in this particular poster, it is an extension of the narrative of the Aam Aadmi Party trying to dub up BJP into a Gali Galoch party. That's what Arvind Kejriwal has been saying. Atishi told us yesterday while speaking to me. And now you have a poster declaring BJP leaders as Galibaz Danav. You have HM Amit Shah in the center with the other BJP leaders from the Delhi unit, including MP Manoj Tiwari, Yogendra Chandolia, Parvez Verma and Virendra Sachdeva. But one thing is pretty certain, Pooja, this poster will attract very serious counter from the Bharatiya Janata Party, because so far whatever we have seen has been over the allegations of Gali Galoch, or for instance corruption, all that has happened. But this time around there's an attempt by AAP to portray the BJP leaders as evil, as Danav. And I think the BJP might also approach the Election Commission of India over such posters, because certainly we had seen even during Jharkhand Assembly elections, when such posters were released by either of the parties, they had taken the India Bloc or the BJP, they had taken strong offense of such posters. So as the day progresses, we will have to see as to whether the BJP takes also thinks about approaching the Election Commission of India against such posters, or whether this poster war will only intensify.
I understand the Aam Aadmi Party has their candidate, and the biggest face is Arvind Kejriwal, who's also the Chief Minister's face, I'm sure. But why do you think the BJP, and your perspective on this, hasn't declared a face? Of course, Prime Minister Modi is leading the charge, but wouldn't it do well if they have a Chief Minister's face, and that perhaps could make it more clear? What is your assessment why the BJP hasn't done it?
Well, Pooja, unfortunately in Delhi's case, if you project a CM face against Arvind Kejriwal, the battle tilts towards Aam Aadmi Party. That's the harsh reality on the ground. And that's what Aam Aadmi Party would want also. And that is why you have posters across the national capital, where on one side you have Arvind Kejriwal's image, on the other side...
Sorry for intervening there. I have BJP leader joining me. Let's ask him that. RP Singh Khalsa joining me this morning, BJP spokesperson. And perhaps it's a question that the BJP best can answer. But I just want the viewer to take a look at this visual. Now, the first poster that was released, and this is after Chunavi Hindu, Chunavi Muslim and other posters on the schemes and challenge to the BJP. Why don't they also come in and announce schemes if they are so angry? Then comes in, look at this. Now, the first poster on one side of your screen, Delhi ka Chief Minister Kaun, that for Aam Aadmi Party, look at that, a smiling, friendly, family-oriented Arvind Kejriwal. But for BJP, there are all these charges and allegations listed. Home Minister Amit Shah at the forefront. I don't even see Prime Minister Modi, and I find that very interesting that Arvind Kejriwal's party is going only after Home Minister Amit Shah as the face, and saying that they don't even have a BJP leader to show as a CM face. Then look at that poster. A full-on Danav attack. Galibaz Danav. This is the creativity right now. of the social media cells of the Aam Aadmi Party. There's Manoj Tiwari, there are other leaders, Virendra Sachdeva, who I can see. RP Singh Khalsa, Galibaz Danav, Home Minister Amit Shah, other leaders, that's the poster that has come out, and asking, do you even have a Chief Minister's face from BJP to take on AAP?
Well, Delhi doesn't want that liquor mafia as a face. When he puts his face as a face for the Aam Aadmi Party or the Chief Minister face, there are two questions. First, can he be the Chief Minister? As per the court order, he can't be the Chief Minister of the city because he can't sign the file, he can't call the meetings, he can't go to the Chief Minister's office. That's why he made Atishi as the Chief Minister, one. Secondly, what sort of face? Whenever he seen the public domain or wherever he's posted or seen, people are reminded of the liquor bottles or the liquor vents that went outside the schools, colleges, gurdwaras, mandirs. So that's how people see Mr. Kejriwal. And then no one wants to relate with Mr. Kejriwal, especially the women folk in city. They don't want to relate with Kejriwal at all. Because immediately they're reminded of that period when their husbands or their family members were pushed into drinking liquor because of one plus one free.
This poster, RP Singh, that, in the center, Home Minister Amit Shah, and calling him a Danav, then alongside other BJP leaders.
That's what I said. Who's the Danav? Danav is one who put the city into the liquor den, who made the city as a den for the liquor mafias. So who's the Danav? Real Danav is Mr. Kejriwal. And how can we forget?
And RP Singh, as you're speaking,
another second, Pooja,
Go ahead, sir.
How can we forget Mr. Balian, Naresh Balian, who used to be a go in between the gangsters and the businessmen here? He used to extort money from the businessmen for the gangsters.
Why does your party feel that Arvind Kejriwal is Purvanchaliyon ka dushman? Because he says, I'm only asking about fake voters being brought in from UP, Bihar. Do you think that's an attack on Purvanchalis?
Well, why did he mention UP, Bihar? How does he know that there are any fake voters at the first instance? And secondly, why brand UP and people from Bihar as fake voters? I mean, does he think that people from UP and Bihar are free to be obliging political parties to build up fake votes here? Why should he target UP and Bihar? I mean, the same party which had pushed UP and people from Bihar outside city when Corona was happening. They said that we can't help you here. And everyone was pushed to the bus stand. And people were forced to move out of the city. And had Mr. Yogi, Chief Minister Yogi, not come to the rescue, well, he virtually left every Purvanchali at the doorstep of the bus stands of the bus depots of the Delhi.
Singh, thank you very much for now, because I want to take the viewer this morning through each of the posters that have come in. Of course, it started with first a Chunavi Hindu jibe. It was inspired from the Bhool Bhulaiya film. And then the Aam Aadmi Party hit back and said that this is full-on scams that are being done, targeted Home Minister Amit Shah on that. So there were different posters that had come in. And again, in the latest, from Chunavi Hindu to Chunavi Muslim jibe, now we have the Galibaz Danav, Chief Minister Kaun. These were the two posters by the Aam Aadmi Party in the past few hours. And the latest poster, so it's a full-on poster war this morning. The BJP has put out this poster of Arvind Kejriwal saying Purvanchaliyon ka dushman. This is in reference to the comment that he made that there are fake voters being added in the voter list. And this, remember, is at a time about the poster war that is coming. All right. MLA, Aam Aadmi Party, joining me right now, senior leader of the AAP, Somnath Bharti. Mr. Somnath, thank you for joining us. You tell me, ये गालीबाज दानव क्यों कहा जा रहा है और चीफ मिनिस्टर क्या आपको लगता है बीजेपी का होना जरूरी है?
देखिए, मुसीबत ये है कि आज भाजपा के पास कोई भी मुद्दा नहीं है, ना सीएम फेस है, ना एजेंडा है, ना थिंकिंग है। दिल्ली वालों के लिए कोई थिंकिंग नहीं इनके पास। इनको एक डिपार्टमेंट दिया गया था जनता के द्वारा, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, उसको बद से बदतर कर दिया। जो डिपार्टमेंट जनता ने दिया केजरीवाल जी को, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, बिजली, पानी, बस, सब कुछ वर्ल्ड क्लास कर दिया। अब मुसीबत यह है कि पूर्वांचलियों के लिए जिस प्रकार से केजरीवाल जी ने 1200 छठ घाट दिल्ली में बनाए, इतनी शान शौकत से छठ पूजा यहाँ मनती है, उससे भाजपा के पेट में दर्द होता है, क्योंकि पूर्वांचल से नफरत करते हैं। ये आज सबको देख पा रहा है कि किस प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी मुद्दा विहीन, सीएम चेहरा विहीन, दिशा विहीन चल रही है दिल्ली के अंदर।
बीजेपी का कहना है कि यूपी बिहार से जो फेक वोटर ला रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के, जो अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहा, तो ये फेक वोटर यूपी बिहार से ऐसे क्यों बोला? आप बिहारी को नफरत करते हैं क्या?
भाई मैं तो खुद पूर्वांचली हूँ, ठीक है, और ये इस प्रकार की भाषा कभी किसी ने हमारे यहाँ उपयोग नहीं किया। ये कल्चर बीजेपी के अंदर है, इस प्रकार का रवैया बीजेपी के अंदर है। मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि बीजेपी आज इतनी विचलित हो चुकी है, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, कहीं कुछ कह सकते हैं। हम सबको देखना चाहिए कि दिल्ली की जनता डिसाइसिव है। दिल्ली की जनता चाहती है कि जिस प्रकार से केजरीवाल जी ने शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, बिजली, पानी में काम किया, महिलाओं के लिए फ्री बस सेवा दी, 2100 रुपया प्रति महीना अनाउंसमेंट करी है, पुजारी गलती सम्मान अनाउंसमेंट करी है। मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि इस सबके आगे बीजेपी बिल्कुल ही मुक्त हो गई है। क्या करे, कुछ मुद्दा ही नहीं बचा। तो जितने मुद्दों पे ये हमें घेरते थे,
तो गालीबाज दानव बोलना जरूरी है सर? आपको लगता है सोमनाथ भारती जी ये रिस्पेक्टफुल है, ऐसे गालीबाज दानव होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह को पोस्टर पे दिखाना, क्या ये ठीक है? ये भी तो डिस्कोर्स को अगली रूट ही ले रहा है उसका।
देखिए, तो क्या ये बोलना अच्छा था कि जी हम प्रियंका गांधी जी के गाल जैसे बनाएंगे रोड? मतलब इस प्रकार की जो गंदगियां फैला रही है बीजेपी, क्या ये बोलना, जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने हमारे सीएम साहब को गाली दिया, मतलब हम सब देख के हैरान थे। ये व्यक्ति पार्लियामेंटेरियन था, ये एमपी था। मतलब इस प्रकार की बातें करना, ये पार्लियामेंट में भी इनका हरकत वही था, चाहे भाजपा के विरोधी जी हो, चाहे कोई और नेता हो। इन लोगों ने पॉलिटिकल डिस्कोर्स को लोएस्ट पे लाके छोड़ दिया है।
चलिए ठीक है सोमनाथ भारती जी, yes, thank you very much, all the best for the election campaigning. Somnath Bharti is a repeated MLA from the Aam Aadmi Party and from Malviya Nagar, and he's saying that it's the BJP that has turned the discourse ugly.